In this video, I will share with you the secret of one of the most trending recipes in the whole world. I will share with you the ingredients of a love potion that you could create at your house using ingredients which are already at your house. The ingredients of a natural love potion, a potent love potion which will give you strength and stamina. And the great thing is, it's also good for your health. These are healthy ingredients which you can use. You will want to try this. I have tried it, many has tried it, and we have seen great results, and you may thank me later. You can return to this video and just leave a thank you in the comment section. For this love potent potion, you will need one ripe banana. Make sure that the banana is very ripe to where the skin has some brown spots on it. These are some of the health benefits of a ripe banana. Banana contains potassium in its composition, which has a positive effect on your health. Bananas contain valuable vitamins and trace elements which have a beneficial effect on the functioning of the cardiovascular system and increase vital energy. Then you'll add one ripened tomato. Here are some health benefits of tomatoes. Eating tomatoes increases the production of testosterone. Blood flow in the pelvic organ is activated, which contributes to an increase in male strength. Tomatoes reduces the risk of developing inflammation in the reproductive organs and prostate gland. In addition, the hormone serotonin improves mood and helps to cope with fatigue. Tomatoes, they're healthy for you. They have great health benefits, and it plays a vital role in this love potion, as you can see. So you'll add a ripened tomato and you just slice it up. Make sure that the tomato is very, very ripe. Next, you will want to add 2 cloves of garlic. Here are some health benefits of garlic. Garlic acts as a natural aphrodisiac, increasing desire. Garlic stimulates the production of hormone testosterone, which plays an important role in the male body. So you'll get your cloves of garlic and take the shell, the outer part of the garlic, and you'll make sure you wash it off properly, and then you'll slice your garlics. Next, you will want to add a glass of water. Add all of these ingredients to your blender and you will blend to a smooth consistency. Make sure that the blender is on high, and you will blend all of these ingredients together to a liquid smooth consistency. Add a teaspoon of honey to this love potion. Honey normalizes the work of the genitourinary system and prostate. It is used in the treatment of prostatitis to improve potency. Honey has a lot of health benefits to the body. Drink this health juice as often as you like until you begin to experience its power. This potent health drink will provide you with energy and strength all night. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give us a like, comment and share with us your favorite health tips. This will allow YouTube to show this video to a lot more people. Thanks for your support.